If you're an online reseller, you probably already know that Poshmark's annual educational conference, Posh Fest, is less than a month away. Usually this event is held in person, but this year it's going to be 100% virtual. As part of this year's ticket, you get a PoshFest swag package mailed directly to your house. I just got mine in the mail and I'm so excited to open it and show you what's inside. The first thing I see is this note card with some really cute Posh stickers. Next we have our official PoshFest t-shirt. This is gonna be super cute. I might even tie-dye mine. This is a super cute tote bag that I'm gonna use to take all my Posh packages to the post office. There's an awesome Poshmark mug that I'm gonna be drinking my coffee in. We have some PoshFest pin-on buttons. Those are fun to put on like denim jackets and backpacks. They put a variety of thank you cards in there that you can give to your Poshmark customers. These are super adorable. There's a sample of a poly mailer from a company called You Pack and Ship. There's also a coupon. And lastly, there are 4 coupons for some companies that will help you grow your Poshmark business. I think that's an amazing value and I'm super excited. See you at Posh Fest.